Yes, good morning, beta. Let's continue with the revision of exponent and power. Yesterday we have discussed, in the revision we have discussed the laws of exponent, and today we are going to solve the question that are related to those laws. Okay, so solve this question. And yesterday I had given you for the homework 13.1. Have you tried that exercise? If you have any doubt in that exercise, you can ask. Solve this question, hurry up. Yes, Akshita, Garvit.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Answer of first part. Akshita, you tell me what is the answer of first part?
6 raised to power 8.
6 raised to power 8. Yes, Garvit, next answer.
Ma'am, 3 raised to power 100.
3 raised to power, no.
1.
Yes.
Ma'am, 3 raised to power 1.
Actually, it is 100 into 0 is 0. 3 raised to power 0. Anything raised to power 0 is 1. Yes, next, Jalash, Rivya.
Ma'am, the second answer is 10 raised to power 2.
10 raised to power 2. Okay. Yes, Drishti.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, answer is a raised to power 0.
What is a raised to power 0?
Ma'am, 1.
1. So answer is 1, not a raised to power 0. Yes, solve these. 5 square is 25. इसका क्या है? इसका? Which one is? So this one is greater. Start next. Write in the exponential form. You please solve this. Till then, I am writing few more questions. Rehanika, is it clear? Any doubt? Fifth question. 5 square. 5 into 5, 25. 25 into 3, 75. 3 twos are 6. 5 raised to power 6. So you have to multiply 5 6 times. So answer is this. Okay. Saksham. Saksham, on your video. Saksham, raise your hand.
Yes, ma'am.
How you will solve this?
Minus 64 meter raised to power 3.
Minus 64 m cube, beta.
M raised
And
to
the
power
question is expressed in exponential form. You need not to solve this. You will just simply write minus 4 raised to power 3 m raised to into m raised to power 3. No need to solve. Actually, you have to just leave them in the exponential form. So you will just open the bracket, you will separate them. No need to solve.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay? So this is the answer. The similar type of question we had done yesterday also. Expressed in exponential form, you have to just separate out the power. Solve these. Base are different, but the power is same. So you will divide the base and power you will write one time. The thing which is occurring twice, you will write it once. Whether it will be base or it will be the power. Do this. Yes, Anmol?
Ma'am, minus 3 raised to power 3.
Minus
3 raised to power 3.
which question answer you are giving, beta?
Ma'am, first question.
Question?
Ma'am, first question.
This one you are talking about.
Yes, ma'am.
This is B, beta, B. Solve again.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Anmol.
Ma'am, minus 2 b raised to power 3.
Minus 2 upon B raised to power 3. Terms are dividing, na? So you will write them as raised to power 3. Is it okay? Yes, Rihanika, give next answer. What? This is dividing, beta. आप multiply कर रहे हो. Divide ऐसे. क्या आएगा?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Wait, दृष्टि. बेटा इजी है. देखो एक मिनट, ये देखो minus 2 upon B. हाँ जी, 5. पता तो है आपको. ट्राई तो करना ही है ना, कोई बात नहीं. रॉन्ग ही होगा, इससे ज्यादा क्या होगा. Start next. Expand. Expand means you have to
Yes,
open the
ma'am.
bracket 5 times. Yes.
4 raised to power 5 over 7 raised to power 5.
बच्चे expand means you have to solve this also. Multiply 4 5
Ma'am.
times.
Ma'am, I have solved.
Okay. Speak up the answer then.
4 is multiplied by 4 5 times. 7 is multiplied by 7 5 times. Answer 4 raised to power 5 over 7 raised to power 5.
ठीक है. Actually आपकी बुक में ना expand करके उन्होंने multiply नहीं किया. They have just written it 5 times like this. So you can also leave it in this manner. Expand means you will just simply write this. No need to multiply. ठीक है? Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Solve.
Yes, ma'am.
solve this. Try to apply the law of exponent here. Yes, bolo beta.
Ma'am, a raised to power m divided by a raised to power n is equal to a m minus n. So 3, 7 minus 2 is 3 raised to power 5
Then what?
into 3 raised to power 5.
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, one. Ma'am, then the base will be multiplied and the powers will be written one time.
Answer will be
3 threes are 9, then 9 raised to power 5.
You can use another law also बेटा. ये divide हो रही है. 3 raised to power 7 minus 2 5 आ गया. And this is same. As you are using the law with different base and same power, but you can use the law that contains same base. So 3 raised to power 10. The answer can be 3 raised to power 10. Both are same. Or you can say 9 raised to power 5. Both are same.
Okay, ma'am.
You can write any answer, but better to write this. Okay. Start next. Same law you can't apply. Power same. Answer is 10 raised to 5. In this, you will apply the law here first. Base same hai. Power will be added. Multiply ho raha na. In case of multiplication, power are added. So it will be 2 raised to power 2 plus 3, 5. And this will be same. Now in this, base are different, but the power is same. Base combine kar lo. 2 5s are 10 raised to power. Is it okay? Is it clear? Base are different, but the power is same. So you will write power one time. ऐसे लिख लो. नहीं आ रहा तो ऐसे लिख लो. Base are different ना. Base को combine कर लो. Power will be written once. क्या बन गया? 2 5s are 10 raised to power. Okay. Start next. पहले इसमें अप्लाई करो, फिर डिवाइड. मल्टीप्लाई में पावर ऐड होती है, डिवाइड वाले में पावर माइनस होती है. ठीक है, करो. Yes, Akshita.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, first we will multiply the powers because the base is same.
Yes.
Sorry, add the powers. Sorry, add the powers. And the answer will be 6 raised to power 6. Then we will subtract the powers because the base is same. So the answer will be 6 raised to power 3.
Okay. Good. आप बोलो रिहानी का, ये कैसे करेंगे? पहले इसको प्लस कर दिया, 6 रेज टू पावर 6 हो गया। अब कौन सा लॉ यूज कर रहे हैं यहाँ पर? a raised to power m divided by a raised to power n. Base are same. हाँ, 6 minus 3 कितना आ गया? ठीक है, ओके, क्लियर? आपको क्लियर है मितुल? चलो फिर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन बताओ, ये कैसे करेंगे? पहले बेटा लाउडली बोलो, कैसे? इसको क्या करेंगे, इसका क्या आएगा, आंसर बोलो। टू रेज टू पावर 6, इसका आंसर आएगा 2 रेज टू पावर 6। नाउ ए नहीं ना, ये ए थोड़ी है, तो बी है, अलग है ना। कौन सा लो, आप आंसर बताओ सीधा, क्या आएगा? क्या 6 आएगा, हाँ ठीक है, 3 2 6, 6 रेज टू पावर 6। अब क्या आएगा? ठीक है, गुड, 30 रेज टू पावर 6। ठीक है, इज इट ओके? चलो नेक्स्ट, आप बताओ बेटे, लास्ट। 8/2, इधर आके करोगे, आओ, अब वहां से चौक ले लो। बेटा you can't combine the power, here we have 2 and in this we have 3, so you can't combine, किसी और वे से करो। कंबाइन नहीं कर सकते, कंबाइन कब होता है? जब पावर सेम होती है, here the power is not same, किसी और मेथड से करो। करो, 8 को क्या लिख सकते हैं? 8 के फैक्टर कर सकते हैं, क्या होते हैं? हाँ कर लो, कर लो, कर लो। लिख दो, उसकी जगह लिख दो। वो 2 कहाँ जाएगा, ऊपर वाला? हाँ, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड। वेरी गुड, हाँ जी। वेरी गुड, कितनी स्पीड से लिखा आपने, चलो जाओ। ठीक है, क्लियर है ये? 8 we have, he has factorized, you can write verbally also, it is 2 cube. So this he has written as 2 raised to power 3 into 2, 3 2s are 6, divide है ये, divide, base are same, terms are dividing, so power will be subtracted. Okay, is it okay? अच्छा, अब एक काम और करो, I am writing this, आप इसका बेस क्या है? इसका बेस क्या है? 8, कैन यू चेंज इट टू बेस 2? इसको आप बेस 2 बना सकते हो, जैसे इसने बनाया है। इसको क्या लिख सकते हैं? 2 की पावर 3, इसे क्या लिख सकते हैं? बेस इज सेम, पावर विल बी क्या बन जाएगा? 8 था, बेस क्या बन गया? 2, पावर क्या बन गई? 6। चलो अब आप एक और करो ऐसा, 8 into 8 into 8. Now change it to base 2. This is your example. Example आप देखना, change it to base 2. और ये लगा टू ठीक रहे हो, मल्टीप्लाई गलत कर रहे हो। हाँ 8 क्यूब, आंसर इज 2 रेज टू पावर 9। ठीक है, इसको क्या लिखेंगे 2 क्यूब, इसे क्या लिखेंगे 2 क्यूब, इसे क्या लिखेंगे 2, बेस सेम 2, 3 प्लस 3 प्लस 3, 6 नहीं 9 होगा ना, 3 और 3 6, 6 और 3 9। ठीक है, अच्छा इसको चेंज कर सकते हो 27 इंटू 27, इसका बेस क्या है 27। नाउ चेंज इट टू बेस 3, चेंज इट टू बेस 3, मेक फैक्टर्स ऑफ दिस। करो करो सब करो। दिस इज 3 रेज टू पावर 3, 3 रेज टू पावर 3 क्या बन जाएगा, बोलो मितुल, हैं? वेरी गुड, चलो ये करो, ये भी करो, करो। यहाँ करो, यहाँ कौन पढ़ाता है घर पे? उनको कौन पढ़ाता है दोनों को? मम्मा जाते हैं रोज, कब आते हैं? कहाँ पे है क्लिनिक अपना है कि जॉब करते हैं? कहाँ पर? पापा मम्मी दोनों वहीं बैठते हैं? पापा मम्मी दोनों वहीं बैठते हैं? फिर अब तीनों ही होते हो घर पे? आंसर इज 3 रेज टू पावर, ठीक है पहले आप इन दोनों को कर रहे हो ना, कंबाइन कर दो एक ही इसमें।
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
A raised to power 6. Ma'am, first question.
A raised to power
6.
6 नहीं आएगा बेटा, 5 आएगा. ऐड करेंगे ना, 2 A raised to power 3 plus 2 5. Do these next questions. Seven raised to power x plus 2. अब बोलो नौनिहाल, बोलो बोलो जल्दी, इसको बोलो क्या आएगा. बोलो बेटा. हाँ हाँ, यही तो मैं पूछ रही हूँ, इसको क्या करेंगे. 3 2 जा 6. अब क्या करेंगे, डिवाइड हो रहे हैं, क्या करते हैं, माइनस, डिवाइड में पावर, बोलो क्या आएगा. 5 raised to power 6 minus 3, 5 raised to power 3. Clear? Ten raised to power. बोलो. AB raised to power 2. Okay. Any doubt? रेहानी का आप बोलोगी. ट्वेंटी. बेस सेम है, पावर विल बी सब्ट्रैक्टेड. क्या आएगा, टू रेज टू पावर 8. 5 plus 3 8. बेस सेम है ना, मल्टीप्लाई और पावर विल बी एडेड. So that's it for today. Tomorrow we will continue with the revision. It will take 2-3 more days to finish this chapter. Then we will start with the next chapter. Okay. Okay, beta. Have a good day. See you in the next.